All right, I have not seen the footage of that yet, but that was wild. I thought, literally, that thing was gonna be like way out in the ocean. Like, completely irrecoverable. I don't know how that didn't happen. That was cool. That was something right there. Oh, we just lost control of it for a while.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
From the wind?
Yeah.
I figured out, dude, here's what happened.
That was fascinating and terrifying. All right.
If they don't do like an auto return?
Usually, but it took it so high that we lost connection.
Wow.
Yeah.
Good for you.
All right.
Dad, here's what happened.
Hey, we did it.
The return altitude is on 120 meters. So when I pressed return home, unknowingly, it was going up to 120 meters. Then it would come back.
It was like, okay, I'll go home, but I'm going up first. Dude, you're shaking, bro.
And it was also like low on battery, and I lost connection to the drone on the remote.
Owen, at one point, I'm pretty sure it was in free fall.
And every single person on the whole beach was just looking, a bunch of them with concerned faces. Some just like entertained. And it was just like a gathering around it. It was such a great moment.
I asked these guys to like step in and help, but they just kind of like froze. They didn't really like move. That's an all-time classic Ocean City moment. which could have been a total disaster.
I'm gonna lower that return altitude.
Yeah, I think so.
And the flight altitude, so it can't exceed like, how about like 50 meters?
All right, perfect.
Maybe like 60.
We're out. Good job, bro.